Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the chart of GBP USD. GBP USD had this resistance first. From this support went up and broke this resistance. This was the first resistance in its way. Now it has broken the second resistance and now it is heading for the third, then to the fourth resistance. This is bullish, and one of the important thing, I want to define a resistance now here. Resistance is the price. For example, here this is the resistance, the price from which when it comes down it doesn't go back. There are other resistances when we call that the support is the resistance. When support, this was a support turned resistance. Let me call it and put here the horizontal line here. This was the, actually let me put it correctly that I could define it easily here. First, when this pair was rejected from here, this was not a strong resistance. This was a real resistance. This was a support turned resistance. First it was support, then it resisted, but didn't send the back to this pair. Worked as a temporary resistance. This is the real resistance which throws back, throws down, send down the pair. Now let me name this resistance. Both I will be giving these two names. I will be using these two names in my analysis. Now this is the SR support turned into resistance. Say SR. Okay, this is SR. This is resistance, but that was converted from a support. These are not that much strong. This is, but one thing is that when they are broken, then it is high probability the main resistance will also be broken. It's same scenario here happened. Then R1 broke here. Now one thing is very important to note, that when the real resistance was broken, the pair went up directly. But when it was thrown back from here, then again went back to this level, then again retested, then it was able to break this level. These levels are not broken easily. This shows the bullishness of this pair. GBP is strong against USD. Now first was it was broken. The second is also broken now, because the pair has went up, and now this has retested here as a support. I think this has been retested here. This has been a support here. Let me put here. I don't think that it will come back to retest it again. Maybe it come, but my analysis is this, that once it was broken, then it came to retest it once, and second time also it retested. Now I am expecting to this pair to go to these two levels, and this is bullish. And the condition in which the previous low is broken, this is the high of the current high of the market, and this is the low of the market. Only if this low is broken, the pair is bullish. When this is broken, then we can say that this trend has changed back to the bearish. But I don't know what will happen, but only if this is the high of the market, this is the low of the market. If market comes back and breaks this low, then we will come to retest this level and then come downward. But I don't see this as scenario now. And if you haven't seen my previous GBP USD analysis, you can watch. I will attach this in the description. You can watch this that my analysis also. And other analysis of my gold analysis, I had 4 or 5 analysis of gold that all are worth watching. If you are new to my channel, you please also watch those my analysis. Those are also worth watching. And in the future, in my coming videos, I will regularly analyze these pairs and also other financial news that are related with currencies and gold. I will analyze them. I will share with you. So please subscribe my channel if you like this video, and share my video with others. And thanks for watching. Bye for now. I will be coming in the next video with another analysis.